I would just like to tell you that this is again a not theoretical class, a not in class where you just have to attend it. You have to participate into the class. So I just take that as in promise from everyone that everybody is going to participate. Perfect. And this is the day of celebration. So no more seriousness. Okay. No more hiding, no more hesitating. It is more of expression, exploring oneself, expressing oneself, and yes, giving and finding a space where we can see the love, where we can provide a love to each other. So this is a very good initiative we are taking today with the name of International Women's Day. And this year, the theme is choose to challenge. Yes, and we are ready to move out of our comfort zone and start our growth and start our progress in our life. Okay. I would just like to introduce myself and then we will open the forum for introducing everyone. My name is Madhura Kamble. I started my professional career in 2014. 2017, I started my own organization, which is Corporate Excellence. I am into training and development. In 2019, I have been certified by UNESCO for my International Certified Women Facilitator. In 2021, I have covered almost more than 600 employees. We have worked with the employees right from the transformation program to the leadership forum and building a team, building team motivation. So these are the various spectrum we have covered in our training. So I invite Bhushan to introduce himself.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining in. And it's really, really a wonderful feeling to be with all of you. Just being a student always in every session for us to learn something new. With that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Bhushan, and I started my professional career back in 2006 with HSBC Bank. I started as a trainee software engineer in bank, and I moved up to different roles: production support, implementation support. And by the time I left my corporate career, I was business analyst in Citibank in 2017. Something happened out of sheer passion and a desire to learn. We started our own organization as Corporate Excellence. And by 2021, I have trained around 1,000 employees across various sectors, right from SME, MNC, manufacturing, education, as well as IT sector. So that's a small information about myself. With that, I asked Madhura to take this session to the next level, so that our intention for today's session is growth, learning, and lots of fun and joy. So I'm sure everybody will participate in that. Thank you.
Take a moment, write your challenge for yourself on a piece of paper. Just write. Yes. Take this opportunity to write a challenge that you would like to take for yourself. Yeah. And challenges can be anything, as small as it can be. The challenge can be anything for doing an exercise every day. A challenge can be to have a healthy diet. Anything, any challenge. A challenge can be to add something into your learning. Yeah, just take a moment, ask yourself, do some self introspection. What challenge I would like to take? Yeah. Write on the piece of paper. Okay. Yeah. Done? Just give me a thumbs up if it's done. Perfect. Let's move to the activity. So what you have to do, you have to take your right hand and see this posture. See, this is a pledge position. We take a pledge, right? So today I choose, and then you have to say what is the challenge you're going to take. Okay. So, yes, I take a challenge. I'm just reading mine. You have to read yours. Okay. Yes, I take a challenge to get out of my comfort zone. You have to say your own challenge. And yes, now I invite a forum for the people who would like to come and share. Somi, would you like to share what challenge you are going to take?
So I am a little little lazy in waking up a little early in the morning and practicing health and well-being. So I take a challenge to practice yoga every day.
Just do this and say
Yes.
again.
I take a challenge to practice yoga and meditation every day.
Nice. Yes, wonderful. Who? Right? So let's check what exactly this growth and the fixed mindset terms is. Okay, so let's explore it together. Yeah, so fixed mindset and growth mindset. We have a two kind of mindset. You can also make a note if you want. So let's see what this researcher has researched and what type of thoughts are there when it comes to a fixed and the growth mindset. So in the fixed mindset, failure, there is a thought that failure is the limitation of my ability. Whereas in the growth mindset, the thought is failure is an opportunity to grow. Right? The second thought in the fixed mindset is I don't like to be challenged. I'm safe. I'm safe here. I play safe here. I am in my comfort zone. So this kind of thought that comes when we are working in our fixed mindset. Whereas in the growth mindset, there is a shift in the thought that challenges help me to grow.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Thank you, Neelam. So please stay unmuted. We are going to do a simple practice with you. So, and everybody will support us in the mute manner. What you need to do, you just repeat after me what I say, and just do the tapping along with what I tap. Okay. So first tapping point is the karate chop. So you can just start tapping along with me like this in simple manner. You can tap. Yeah, it's a very simple. The karate chop. This is a chop point, and we just tap like this. Very simple. And everybody who is listening to us and watching us, tap along with us. And as we tap, we say certain phrases. Now, creating a phrase is something you will get as along you'll start doing the practice. So Neelam, you and I can start together. So repeat after me. Even though at times I don't like challenges. I'm afraid of challenges. I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I want you to close your eyes for a second. Everybody, please close your eyes. And as you tap this karate chop point, keep tapping. I really, really want you to give yourself unconditional love and acceptance. 100%. And just check in your life right now. As you tap, keeping your eyes closed, any particular challenge you want to overcome, any particular challenge. It can be as smallest as possible, or it can be as big as possible. Just keep that in your mind. Oh yes, I want to cross out this challenge. And we are going to release all the emotional charge around this as we tap. Wonderful. Thank you, Neelam. Just repeat after me. Even though at times challenges are difficult, they really push me out of my comfort zone. I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I am my best friend. And I can easily pass through this. I have full confidence in my abilities. Just take a gentle, nice deep breathe in your chest and your belly and slowly exhale. Everybody, as you exhale, have a determination that you are going to release the comfort zone and move to the next level of your growth. This is the whole intention for next 15 minutes. Okay, now As we tap this karate chop, we stop and we start tapping the 8 tapping points. The first point is eyebrow point. So you can remove your spectacles, take 2 fingers of both the hands and start gently tapping the eyebrow point, where the eyebrow is starting. And as we tap, we simply acknowledge any feelings connected to challenges. So tap with me, all the fear connected to challenges.
All the fear connected to challenges.
I'm releasing and letting go.
I'm releasing and letting go.
Very nice. Next point, side of the eye. Just follow the eyebrow and side of the eye, you will see a bone there. Very nice. Perfect. And just keep tapping on that point and say along with me, all the ways I run away from challenges.
All the ways I run away from challenges.
All the ways I keep procrastinating.
All the ways I keep procrastinating.
Any laziness connected to this?
Any laziness connected to this?
I choose to release and let it go.
I choose to release and let it go.
Take gentle, nice, deep breathe, and with your firm determination, let go of all procrastination and all the way we are delaying our growth in our career and in our personal life. Very nice. Next point, below the eye, right below the eye, tap on the bone. Letting go of all the fear connected to challenges.
Letting go of all the fear connected to challenges.
Letting go of all the ways I'm afraid of being judged.
Letting go of all the ways I'm afraid of being judged.
Take a gentle, nice, deep breathe in your chest and release through mouth. When we release through mouth, a lot of exhale and releasing happens and a lot of fear energy goes out. Very nice. Beautiful. Now below the nose, tap below the nose, just above the upper lip. Clearing all the procrastination.
Clearing all the procrastination.
Releasing all the ways I don't want to come forward.
Releasing all the ways I don't want to come forward.
Tap on chin. Next point. Letting go of all the self-limitations. Tap
Chin.
on chin. Chin, yeah.
Letting go of all the
self-limitations. Self-limitations.
Letting go of all the self-limitations.
Very nice. Take gentle deep breath and allow your subconscious mind to listen to this new training that we are giving. And one more time, I choose to let go.
I choose to let go.
All the ways I'm limiting myself.
All the ways I'm limiting myself.
Very nice. Collarbone. Take a palm like this, and with the palm, tap on collarbone. Releasing all the limits. Over here, tap on the collarbone. Yes. And just repeat after me. I choose to release all the limits.
I choose to release all the limits.
I choose to move into growth mindset.
I choose to move into growth mindset.
I would like everybody to please unmute and just in 5 or 10 seconds, just share one point that you learned today before we wind up, because that will really summarize the entire session. So let's start with Seema. Seema, please share one point that is the key takeaway for you today.
Thanks for starting from me. First is I really want to say that I have learned how to forgive yourself is the first thing.
Very good.
And how to accept the challenges which you really don't want to see around you.
Yes, correct. Yeah, we are always surrounded by challenges, and every challenge we can take as an opportunity to grow and move further. Thank you, Seema. Rutuja, would you like to share what is the one thing you want to take away with you?
I agree with Seema, what she's saying. I second her thought. I also learned that, we know these things offline, but today we saw that how that slide, one particular slide, I loved it. It was saying fight or flight. that's the most important thing I'm taking right now, that, you know, any challenges, any negativity, we have to fight and not flight from it. So that's the learning which I've learned today.
Okay, thank you, Rutuja. Thanks for your sharing. Can we have Claudia, please?
Yes, I agree. First, I would like to thank for this opportunity. It is not common here in Brazil, this kind of event to talk about this point. It is very nice. It is, and I agree with Seema and Rutuja about the slide. I love it, and I would like to ask, it will take with me, and I would like to ask if it be possible to share the presentation.
We will definitely share. Anyway, this whole session is recorded, so you can hear the recording and go through the entire screens.
Great.
Yes,
Great.
don't worry. Yeah, that is, we all should always have a reference, so that the effort we are putting it in a group, we are connecting with 4 countries together at a time. So we should always have the data with us. Thank you, Claudia. You will receive the details from Somi shortly.
Okay.
Let's go to Pranita. Yes, Pranita.
I really enjoyed. In fact, I really enjoyed seeing my colleagues from Brazil. I've been always talking them over phone or only through email. It was really pleasure seeing them. Of course, Claudia, of course, I have interacted, but the other colleagues I've never interacted with them. It was really nice to see them face to face. And I think this is the, what do you say? This is how technology has progressed. Though they are far, we are still seeing each other. And this was a great opportunity. I think Somi, who brought, connecting through virtual. It was really nice. I really felt I'm overwhelmed with this actually session as such. Yes, one thing that is I have learned over here is never run away from the fear or whatever. Yes, of course, of course you people do not know, but I have never ran away from my fear or something. I've always fought with that fear. But yes, I would like to continue to that. I need to keep that on top of mind. Challenge yourself and overcome it.
Yes, perfect.
Yes, wonderful.
That's a wonderful takeaway.
You re-emphasize your belief.
Yes,
that's
so good to know your views, Pranita. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And I'm sure as you enjoyed seeing Brazil colleagues, they must have enjoyed seeing you too.
Yes, of course.
Okay, let's go to Valeria to know her views. What did you learn the most today?
Yes, what I've learned today that I've never seen before, it was about the EFT tapping points. I love that, and it was so relaxing time, and I will leave it with me, and I will start to use that.
Yeah, keep practicing. Minimum 10 to 15 minutes a day will help you a lot to keep your stress very, very minimal.
Very good. Very good.
Thank you, Valeria. Thank you, Valeria. Let's go to Neelam.
Okay, so I also enjoyed the EFT technique that's already been spoken in the group.